Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Office Asara 24/7. My name is Amanjot, and I am here with all of you to discuss the principles and practices of banking analysis of the shift 2 and shift 3. So, as you know, in the first shift, we have done the analysis in the morning, and now we are going to discuss what questions has been asked in the shift 2 and shift 3. So, first of all, very congratulations to all of those who have qualified the paper, who has cleared the paper. So this is your PPB paper, है ना? And apart from that, also do share your questions, do share your experience of the exam, like what was the exam like. It was a moderate, easy, and what questions has been asked, do let me know. Congratulations, Vaibhav sir. Congratulations, Swadip sir. Uh, Nansini ma'am, you can check your scorecard on the website of IIBF. Don't worry about it. You will be able to check your scorecard by using your credentials there. Okay, or you can even mail to the IIBF for the scorecard. Okay, there is no issue. So let's start the analysis of the second and third shift. The paper was easy to moderate. The paper level was easy to moderate. And if we talk about easy to moderate, it means questions was the were from the direct, like questions were direct. It's not like very confusing questions and all. So first of all, the number of questions has been asked from the topics like data warehouse they have asked. So data warehousing, we know what is it. Simple, where the whole data related to the customers will be stored, and out of which whenever we need a certain data we can use that particular data. So data warehouse was asked. Apart from data warehouse, they have asked the KCC Kisan credit card. One question was asked from the Kisan credit card also. They have asked NPA, non-performing assets. So NPA question was there in the morning also. In the morning they have asked about the provisioning of NPA. Okay, now one question was from the NPA, non-performing asset. So data warehouse is where the data of the customer will be stored, the credentials and everything. KCC's Kisan credit card, which is simply a kind of a loan facility provided to the farmers for the production purpose, so that they can use their raw material, they can purchase their raw material, etc. If we talk about NPA, NPA is a type of credit facility which provided by the customer, which is provided by the customer, which is provided by the bank to the customer, on which customer is not repaying the installment, or we can say the principal amount. So after the 90 days, that asset of a bank will be known as non-performing asset, because it's not performing in the market. That's why it is known as NPA. Okay, now apart from NPA, we also had seen the question was asked from the rupee card. So rupee card is simply a payment process, a payment, or we can say the online payment transaction process, which was introduced by NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. So RuPay card was also asked there. Apart from RuPay cards, again the self-help group question was there. Self-help group was asked in the morning shift also. So they have asked in the morning about the self-help group maximum numbers of candidates, like how many persons can be joining the self-help group, and in the second and third shift they also asked the question from the self-help group. Apart from that, local area network question was there, that is also there in the morning. With the local area network, wide area network was asked in the morning, but in the second and third shift it was asked only local area network. One question was from the blockchain. One question was asked from the blockchain also. Mhm. Okay, congratulations Pradeep sir, congratulations Upasana Singh sir. So very congratulations to all of you, and also do let me know what was the questions. If you remember certain questions, the topic, if you remember, do let me know the topic. From there, the question was asked. Apart from that, they have also asked the question on the DRT, Debt Recovery Tribunal. One question in the morning shift also asked from the DRT. So DRT is simply a special code that was created by central government for the recovery of NPA of bank and financial institutions. Okay. Apart from that, one question was asked from NRI also. The question regarding the NRI loan condition was asked. So NRI is simply non-resident Indians who are living more than 182 days outside the country. And the PSL question was asked, priority sector lending. One target from the priority sector lending was asked. PSL is simply a type of sectors which requires the development, which requires the approval, or which requires the improvement in the sector. And are those sector according to RBI and Government of India, which needs improvement, which needs development, they has been defined as the priority sector. There are total 8 sectors in the PSL, and the target and sub-targets are given by RBI to the PSL sector. Apart from PSL, one question was from the BBPS, Bharat Bill Payment System, again as product of NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, by which you can pay your utility bills, etc., without standing in the queue. है ना? By from anywhere, anytime you can pay your bill with the help of BBPS. One question was asked from the crypto. So cryptocurrency, you already know what is it, Hana. So one question was asked from crypto. In the morning, they have asked about the digital currency of RBI, and the evening shift they have asked the crypto. Then one question was there from the letter of credit. If we talk about letter of credit, it's a secure mode of payment in the international market. When you are doing payment in the international market, you can use the secured way to make the payments, that is known as letter of credit. Okay. Apart from that, the question was from the UCIC, and one question was asked from UCIC in the second shift. So what is UCIC stands for? It's simply a sorry, unique customer identification code. Hana, it is what? It's a unique customer identification code. So one question was asked from the unique customer identification code. Apart from that, the question was asked on the agricultural loan, and one question was on the agricultural loan was asked. Apart from that, the working capital uh, question was also there. Working capital question was also there. Then we had the question on NI Act, Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 was asked. In the morning, they have asked about the section 131. Okay, and now one question was again from the NI Act. Then apart from that, the question was from the business ethics. In the morning, from the ethics, they have asked 4 to 5 questions. Similarly, here was happened. They have asked the business ethics. One question was from the dilemma. Another ethics dilemma was also asked. Okay, one question was from the dilemma. Congratulations, Neetu ma'am. Okay, so one question was from the dilemma. Apart from that, one question from the module D, there was ethic and values were related. Certain question has been asked. Then the question was asked on the plastic money, or we can say the plastic card. They have asked a question like credit card question was there. Okay. Apart from that, certificate of deposit was asked. Then one question was from NBFC, non-banking financial companies. And NBFC, they have asked micro small enterprises question was there. One question was asked on the Hindu undivided family also. One question was from the topology. Okay, one question was from the topology. Then apart from that, the KCC limit they have asked, I have already told you. And a wire house they have asked about the wire house. One question was there. Then the question was from the UPI. In the morning, they have asked the UPI cycle, and in the evening also the one question was from the UPI. Again, the question from the UTR was asked, unique transaction receipt, that was asked in the morning for the RTGS. Now, limited liability partnership, one question was seen. Okay, apart from that, contract of indemnity was asked. Okay, the question was there from the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, that was there in the morning also. Hana, this is asked again. Apart from that, IMPS was again there in the morning. There are 2 to 3 questions was asked on the IMPS immediate payment service, and they have asked again in the evening shift also. So you can see the maximum topics are same. It's not like the number of questions they have asked or the type of questions they have asked are the same, but the topic was same. Hana? So if you have seen the analysis of morning, that will be very helpful for you. If you go according to the particular topic, you will find that. Hana? So this was the question. Apart from that, question was asked on the digital signature also. Question was asked on the digital signature related. One question was there. Okay. On the PSL sector, they have asked about the weaker section. In the PSL, one question was there from the weaker section. Okay. And on the self-help group, there were 3 questions. On the self-help group, there were 3 questions on self-help groups. Then one question was from the A and BC adjusted net bank credit, that is the part of the PSL. Like when the banks have to provide loan under the PSL, they have to provide as a percentage of A and BC or CUBE, whichever is higher. Okay. And in the KCC, they have asked the eligibility of the KCC was asked. Okay. Now, one question was from the CBS core banking solution was also asked. One question was from the CBS also, that is core banking solution. In the morning exam, in the morning shift also, one question was from the CBS there. Now, one question was asked from the partnership. One question was there from the partnership. One question was there on the margin on consumer loan. Margin on consumer loan was asked. And in the topology, they have asked the star and bus topology. In case of topology, they have asked the star and bus topology. Okay. And one question was there on the security charge on immovable asset. Okay, one question was there on the security charge on immovable assets. Okay, one question was there related to the minor, like minor can maintain locker or not. And a minor question was there related to the locker facility. Okay, so these were the questions that has been asked in the principles and practices of banking second and third shift questions. If you know certain question, then do let me know that what question was there. Also in the comment section, do let me know how much you scored. Congratulations, Das sir. So this is the PPB principles and practices of banking of your JIB. Now you have tomorrow the exam of AFM. So do let start preparation for the AFM also. Okay, and you can see in the chat section one link has been pasted here. That is about the retail banking power pack batch that is starting from Monday also. And that will be covering everything regarding your retail banking subject and the how to prepare that. Praveen sir is going to take one class tomorrow to how to prepare your retail banking subject. So that will be your last subject. Tomorrow you have a AFM and the marathon of on the AFM is there in the evening today. That is from 6 okay p.m. KCC limit first year eligible limit. Okay, on the KCC they have asked the first year eligible limit. So in the evening at 6 you have a AFM marathon. Do not forget to join that particular marathon. Apart from that, retail banking batch is starting. That's a power back batch in which you will be covering everything regarding the retail banking, and that will be your last paper. So do prepare very well, Hana. As much credit of paper as much you can get. That will be better for all of you. That you do not have to give the next session in the November. You do not have to give that particular subject paper again. So all the best for the AFM and the retail banking also, and do share your score with all of us in the comment section, and do let me know how was your experience also. Okay, so now let's end the session here. Thank you all for joining the session, and congratulations to all of those who have cleared the exam, and all the best for the upcoming exams. Thank you all. Last but not the least, if you are new to the channel of Officers Adda, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. And do not forget to join the marathon at 6 p.m. for the AFM. Thank you all.